Let's dive into the incredible story of Hugo the hippo, a remarkable resident of the Serengeti. Hugo, our star of the Serengeti, is a dominant male who rules over a prime section of the river. His impressive size and formidable tusks make him a force to be reckoned with. But his life is not without its challenges. Rival males and the search for food during the dry season test his resilience daily. Hugo's journey began as a wandering bachelor, exploring the vast river territories of the Serengeti. One day, his adventure led him to a tranquil stretch of water where a group of hippos was basking. Among them was Leela, a graceful and observant hippo, who immediately caught Hugo's eye with her calm demeanor and curious gaze. Determined to stand out, Hugo showcased his strength and agility by playfully wrestling with a nearby log, demonstrating his power without aggression. His many battles to defend his territory have left him marked with scars, each one a testament to his strength and determination. Yet, Hugo's story isn't just about survival, it's also about family. He dreams of building a strong pod of his own. Instead of rushing in aggressively, Hugo approached Leela slowly and respectfully, using low, friendly grunts to express his interest. Understanding that winning Lila's heart required the approval of her group, he engaged in friendly interactions with the other hippos, proving himself to be a cooperative and trustworthy partner. As Hugo and Leela developed a deep bond through grunts, nudges, and affectionate gestures, Hugo's gentle behavior and ability to make Leela feel safe played a crucial role in winning her heart. As the dry season set in, water sources became scarce, increasing competition among hippos. Hugo's family found refuge in a small, dwindling pool, but soon an aggressive male hippo encroached on their territory. Hugo had to keep Leela and their young calf, Junior, safe and hidden during confrontations. With limited resources, Hugo faced the challenge of sustaining his family without straying too far from their territory. Night brought new threats as predators like lions and hyenas roamed the riverbanks. Hugo took on the role of a vigilant night watchman, using his keen senses to ward off these dangers. During the day, he and Leela worked together to create safe resting spots for Junior. Then came a sudden flood, transforming the dry riverbed into a torrent. Hugo's family had to navigate these dangerous waters to find a new, safer home. Hugo diligently searched for higher ground where they could be secure from the rising waters. Despite the daily struggles for dominance and survival, Hugo's life is also filled with moments of tenderness. Watching over his pod, he ensures that the young are safe and that the social bonds within the group remain strong. This captivating story has been followed closely by our guide, Godlisten Rumaisha, who has dedicated years to tracking and observing Hugo's life in the Serengeti. Each time he returns to the Serengeti, Godlisten seeks out Hugo to see how he is faring and how he continues to thrive in his environment. Through Rumaisha's observations, we get a unique and personal glimpse into the life of this extraordinary hippo. Join us as we continue to explore and document Hugo's incredible journey and the wonders of the Serengeti. By observing Hugo, we get a unique glimpse into the daily life and struggles of these incredible animals.
Connect with us, scan me, subscribe for more stories and video updates.